Hello and welcome back to 60-second Jeep Wisdom. You know, I've already done a video on the SS3 Pods that I've been running on my Jeep, and I love them. You know, I recently changed them over from the white to the amber lens, which I found to be better with these mounted up high by the windshield in dusty conditions. So anyways, that's worked out great. But what I want to show you on this segment was I added these SSC1 Pods, which is a single focus light, also running the amber lens. I'm using this as a ditch light, and it's worked out really well. So let's jump in and take a look at what I did. I did some custom bracketry here to get these on and give you guys a look at how these new SSC1 Pods are working out on the Jeep. Let's get started. And here's what the finished install looks like. I had to create some custom bracketry to get this to fit just the way I wanted it, but I'm really happy with the results. I chose the C1s for their super compact design, as well as the excellent light output. Everything in the Diode Dynamics line represents an excellent value. I love that they're designed and assembled in the USA. The C1s feature a die-cast aluminum body. All hardware is good quality. Here's the custom brackets I designed to mount these with. I fabricated them out of 1x1 aluminum angle. And here's the custom brackets mounted on the Jeep. I'm using KC Highlight's A-pillar bracket to hold my SS3 pod. For this install, I'll be using Diode Dynamics light-duty wiring harness. The Droid-style connectors will make for an easy, watertight installation. Alright, let's get this installed on the Jeep. So we're going to remove this cowl piece, run your wires, and plug it into the light. Simple. Here's the finished product. The addition of the amber lenses has been great. They're a little easier on the eyes and work great in dusty conditions. And here's a quick look at them in action on the road. You can see how much light they add, filling in that dark spot to the sides of the Jeep. These work great on the trail, helping you navigate safely after dark. This is another very cool feature of these, is the backlight. I have these tapped right into my running light circuit. Here's the specs on these powerful, compact lights. Now, let's see him in action out on the trail. We hope you've enjoyed this review. Until next time, stay safe, be well.